Hey friends, welcome back to another tutorial video, and in this video tutorial I will let you know how to collect the temperature and humidity value using DHT11 sensor and NodeMCU and visualize the temperature and humidity data in ThinkSpeak. So before going to start, I would request to you, if you have visited for first time to my YouTube channel, then don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon to get a instant notification from me while I'm uploading new videos like this. So without any further ado, let's quickly get started with this video. So that's all for today's video. I hope you like this video. Then do hit that like button and also share this video among with your friends, and also subscribe to my channel for more such videos. So I will see you in next one.